Hey everyone, Yago here from TubersFunFam. Wow, the drone community has been buzzing. There are some interesting rumors about a panorama drone with the possible name of Avata360. If you ever tried shooting 360 content, you know the struggle. Soft image quality, shaky transmission, and editing workflows that make you want to give up. So when I started to see these rumors around, that caught my attention. According to what's been circulating on the Chinese social media, this Avata360 might come with dual 1-inch sensors and support for 8K 60FPS panoramic video. If that's true, that's a massive jump in quality and dynamic range. Another big rumor is that it could use the O4 Plus video transmission system, which will mean way more stability and reliability, something 360 drones have always struggled with. And apparently creators might get two shooting modes: a full 360 degrees panoramic mode for immersive shots, and a single lens mode for more cinematic directional footage. So you can switch styles without switching the drone. Some posts also mention omnidirectional obstacle sensing and integrated propeller guards, which will make this thing way safer, mostly for new pilots or indoor flying. And the part that everyone is talking about is the pricing. Looks like the standalone version might start at $489 and the combo bundle around $680. Entry-level pricing with what looks like flagship pricing. If half of these leaks are accurate, the Avata360 could be a game changer, not just for pros, but for everyday creators that want high-quality 360 but without the usual headaches. This is one that will keep their eye on it. And you, let me know what you think about this. Would you fly a drone like this?